This data line is the purple screen function. Dedicated data cannot be lost and irreplaceable. This cable is a dedicated data cable for the P14 Pro Programmer host to connect to the computer. Connect the engineering cable to P14. One end of the Type-C data is connected to the USB on the computer and the other end is connected to the P14 Pro Programmer. Click Download to select P14 Pro Hard Drive Programmer. Please do not choose the wrong one. Download the P14 Pro Hard Drive Programmer. Download and complete the installation. Open will get the screen like this. We are connecting to an Ethernet. Click here to get the phone's original hard disk data. Let's show you how to put your phone into purple screen mode. OK. We need to put the phone into DFU mode. After successfully entering the DFU mode, we click the one-click purple screen in the upper right corner. Just need to wait a little. The phone will enter the purple screen mode. The screen of the phone has turned purple, and you can also see that the I2C has entered the purple screen mode. After entering the purple screen mode, we can arbitrarily modify the required items. Click this button to find the missing original factory information. Here you can view the original SN code of Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, distance sensing, dot matrix, etc.